You're welcome.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, oh look, you can actually see them now.
I'm glad.
It was kind of, they were a fuzzy blur before. Yeah.
Oh, I shouldn't have talked so loud. You're recording the
Oh
video
yeah, that's
audio.
okay. That's okay. She's gonna come out for more lessons at Christmas.
So you don't get the rails.
Oh yeah, that's probably true too. Oh
Now
yeah,
you-
there,
now you're
there.
in
See,
business.
yeah.
Lady, you're cooking.
She's so funny. She makes so much fun of me when she looks at these. Oh. There's a reason Jimmy's the family photographer.
Where you're going to stop. There you go. You want to take 2 steps forward. Okay, so you don't start binding their legs up. Okay, because you got to remember their legs are like little noodles right now. They don't know, exactly how to turn. Now turn the other way. Yeah, you had to reach forward to your finger thing. Just pick up your outside hand. No. Don't do that. Pick up. Stop right there. Whoa. Okay. From here, just grip your finger. Just go. Push your hand. Hold tight. And up. Now you can slide here. This hand's here. And you stop. Oh. See? So it's just like this. Correct. That's all it takes. You won't know until you come this time. Then you just take it back. Okay? That's why you walk forward again. Circle. So like you can lift and you go and circle the inside. There you go. As you're here, as you're getting ready to go out, now put your hands forward. Lift your inside hand.
You want me to lift and tighten this and then?
Yeah, as you're turning here. As you're turning, like this, you're here, slide that hand down, since it's already down,
Oh, sorry.
and now as you come out, down, as you finish your circle here, you go forward, and you can take that one and go. You see that? And you can take that one back down, go the other way. Hip around as you do it. You see that? Now you have less movement now. Alright? Do it a couple more times. And we can call it quits because I need to go get ready for a trip.
You guys leaving tomorrow?
No, Friday, but we're
Friday.
going to go locate all our pots and pans and get them cleaned and ready for cooking. Do your pull, kick that hip around, there you go. Now go the other way. There you go. Now pull into a one-way stop, tell her whoa. Loosen up, step off. Right there, still pull her head into you.
Don't or do?
Do.
Okay.
Because
She's chilling.
it doesn't fucking matter. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Until you're, after 30 days, then you can start giving her a little more, but like if you just drag your spur the wrong way.
Yeah, then she's off and I can't stop her.
Correct. And you're done.
Yeah.
So I mean it's just a whole big issue. There you go. Good job.